What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Kegon's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna cook some jerk pork backyard style. Stay tuned. As I can see right now, we just get the fire ready as it. Alright, so we're gonna add in some all-purpose seasoning on it, season it up nice and proper. Just like that. Yeah, man. Add some browning. We're not add too much browning still. We're going to add in some green seasoning. Just a little bit of it. Drop in some oil. Yeah, man. And we're just going to get a nice little mix up, season it up. And once the fire catch up and thing and ready, we're going to put on the pot and sear the pork. After we finish sear it, we're going to add some water to it and cook it for about a good 30 minutes just to tenderize it up a little bit. You see it? Yeah, man, just go and watch the show. Drop in the oil. See it there? See it there? Woo. Like I said, guys, we're just tenderize the pork right now. Tenderize it, seal in some of the flavor, them some of the seasoning. Yeah. And then we're going to cook it down. Alright, so we're going to add some hot water to the same pan where we season up the pork in, you know? Yeah, man. Just go pour that on top, you know. Ooh. Actually, the pork ready, you know. Yes, guys, so we're going to take the pork out of the pot, you know, and add some jerk seasoning to it. And then we're going to put it directly on top of the little grill there. You know? Right, you know, the pork them tender, nice and soft. Watch it. Wow, look at that. So now we're going to add the seasoning to it, guys. Come on, follow me. Yeah, so we're just going to add in a little bit of the jerk seasoning on it, not too much. You see me? Add a little bit of the green seasoning here. Just a little bit. Not much. Some scotch-bonnet pepper. Mix it up. Alright. Make sure the flavor is nicely distributed all over. And then we're going to put it back on the grill. Stay tuned. Listen for that sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Yeah, man. Pork smell good. We'll pour on all of that jerk seasoning on top. Yeah, man. So we'll just go grill it on top of the charcoal, on top of the coal pot. If you are good, maybe 10 minutes until it's nice and brown and dark up, I think. You know, until the skin kind of crispy up a little bit. Yeah, and then it should be good because it's already soft, you know, it's already cooked. So go and watch the show. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, man, so we just go sprinkle some water upon it, guys. Just to calm down the fire a little bit. You see what I say? And that go keep it nice and moist same way. Yeah, man, add some smoke to it. Yeah, man, quick and easy. You know, outdoor, backyard style, jerk pork or roast pork, whatever you want to call it. But that we are deal with today. You see what I say? So just go and watch the show, man, and don't go nowhere. Yes, guys, so this is it right here, the jerk pork backyard style, you know, with some mixed vegetable and some mayo mixed together with some black pepper, a little bit of salt for taste, and we have the Jamaican rice and peas right there. So oh my god, wow, nice and soft, melt in your mouth. Real deal. Yes, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.